Also, if any of y'all want to follow me on Instagram, there it is. That's my new Instagram. Me and this thing. So y'all hit it up. Get him. We need video, bro. First fish, first fish. Yes. Targeted species. Show him. Yeah. Black drum, baby. Fish number 2. Feel a little better? Yeah.
Little. Same one. Same one.
A little better one?
Maybe a little. You're coming with every reel.
Bro, as long as we're catching them, bro.
They'll get, I mean, eventually you just catch a better one. This one's a little bit better. Still doesn't keep. Still does not keep.
Not even close, bro. Still a pretty little fish. Told me I'm missing. I don't miss, bro.
I just re-got.
Oh, shit, an eel. Hold that up for the camera, brother. Zap you. Them things are so nasty.
I hate them, dude.
God, I got him, boys.
Please be that eel, bro.
Oh, that's him, y'all. Oh, oh, oh. Woo! Little blackie. Using shrimp, Carolina rigs, up in the creek. Yeah, he's a little bigger. Yeah, just a little bit.
Oh,
redfish. Dang. Red drum, y'all, red drum. He got fucked up.
Yeah, fucked up.
Look at that.
Netted, bro.
He got netted?
Yeah.
Dang. Look at that.
Was that strong?
Oh, yeah, it has to be. That's where his gill is.
He got netted, bro.
That sucks. At least he got out of it. Dang. He swallowed my shit,
Yeah,
too.
you fucking go hook his ass.
Sorry,
Motherfucker
Mr.
survived.
Redfish.
You on out the way?
Nah, you're good.
Another red?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, little black. He felt good. That current's strong.
Yeah, I know.
But, and I got my bait back. Sorry, little buddy.
Look, I had the bug when we first got here, now you got it.
Y'all, this is fun.
Huh?
Talking to the camera, bro.
Huh?
Talking to the camera. Telling them this is fun. There you go, right there. There you go. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. Oh, get him, Jacob. Get him.
Shoot him!
Shoot him.
Shoot him, bro!
Shoot him. What is it? Here, have mine. You need it. Yes, black drum season, baby. It's fun catching black drum in the winter. Yeah, we'll get one. That was a good one.
That was a nice drum.
Yeah. Damn.
Fucking with your camera and this thing.
Damn. Didn't keep him tight. Alright, y'all. Yes. Woo! Yeah. It's better to catch little ones than nothing at all, especially during the winter.
Missed him.
Might be a little better. Not really. Dang. A little better though. Maybe by an inch or two. Doubles.
Imagine how pissed this drummer was. Oh my gosh, it's shrimp.
Get him. You still got him? Off?
Yeah.
That was a good fish.
So,
Dude, I set it on it, dude, for you. Hold on, let me reel my shit's going crossways. What is it, little? It's been sitting out there a minute. Yeah, little guy.
back here, right?
Mm-hmm. That's might be just the current.
Oh, these hooks are not.
Bro, this man cannot back up, bro. Oh, he might have it this time. Took him about the 20th time.